number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Santa Rita Elementary School Drum and Glockenspiel Corps.
With their school head, Ma'am Emma L. Nortiga. Trainers, Teresita P. Palencia and Blanche Margaret Lima. With a total members of
96, with 18 majorettes, 12 pom-poms, 12 flaglets, 54 musicians, 32 lyrists, and 22 drummers. And of course, ilang man ginapasalamatan ang ilang mga generous sponsors and donors for Santa Rita Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps.
Starting off with Eusebio Villavicencio.
Barangay Santa Rita officials.
Barangay Santa Monica officials.
Barangay Buray officials.
Miss Emma Nortega.
Santa Rita Elementary School PTA officers.
Acoy's Refilling Water Station.
Raymark Medjavilla.
Amity Balbastro.
Lou D. Analista.
Santa Rita Elementary School Grade 3 Sunflower, Batch 2025.
Baby Joy Takadao.
Christina Ching Silva.
Cindy Sanyonte.
Leia Taberna Acosta.
Richie Torreses.
Andrea Marie Lima.
Gaiden Jade Navales.
Aide Sabio.
Jason Padiscio.
Teresita P. Palencia.
Carolina Cilia.
Lourdes Selfedes.
Lorna Paniergo.
Jenna Gales.
Blanche Margaret Lima.
Maria Luzville Cernicola.
Maria Carmela Carato.
Mark Miranda.
Pearly May Nagri.
Mary Joy Perez.
John Ray Samalboro and family.
Remedios Minerva.
Ruth Paildan.
Ella Ruth Paildan.
Jennifer Gaspi.
Selma Faniquito.
Santa Rita Elementary School Kinder 2025.
Santa Rita Elementary School Grade 1 2025.
Erlinda Fonclara Elf Refilling Water Station.
Eunice Magata.
Daisy Laza.
Charlene Amador.
Sara Cadavo.
Sarah Jean Rubino.
Jasmine Remolata.
Shana May Balbiron.
Meryl Acosta.
Rachel Manihero.
Maricel Moises.
Mary Joy Mallorca.
Amy Villacasti.
Jennifer La Chica.
Bona Alvarez.
Vincent Pirosha.
Michelle Priatan.
Rhoda Miranda.
Anari Camarines.
Soles and Fuentes family.
Thelma Hermogenes.
Danica
And gentlemen, once again, let's give a round of applause to Santa Rita Elementary School Drum and Glockenspiel Corps.
Bye-bye na mga kasing.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the Santa Rita Elementary School Drum Corps.
A round of applause, please. No, natawa pa na, oh. Para kaya po ng iyang discipline.
Cute-cute niya sa ilaman din.
Very cute. Tigil dyan aton nga mga performers for these years. Sigabong 2025.
We are done.